Well, welcome to another Sew Circuit tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to make a cool light up skull eye t-shirt using heat apply vinyl. This is especially made for textiles. We're going to use two standard LEDs that you can buy at Radio Shack or online. And we're going to use some conductive thread. We've placed the skull on the t-shirt using the industrial heat press, so this is on here permanently. And we're not going to do anything fancy to get these LEDs in. We're just going to poke them right through the t-shirt because we're going to hold them in from the back using some additional vinyl material after we get everything set up. So I'm going to kind of make a little guesstimate of the inside center here. So that's LED number one, and I'm just going to bend the leads a little bit in the back temporarily. Now the rest of the work for this project is going to be done inside out until it's finished, at which point we'll turn it right side back. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to solder the conductive thread to the lead of the LED. I'm just using an alligator clip here to hold the conductive thread so I can use two hands, and I slid this regular manila folder underneath here so I don't burn a hole through the t-shirt. So we've made the solder connections on the end of the LEDs, but since this is going to be laundered and crumpled around, we want to make sure that we don't break those solder connections or else the LEDs won't light up anymore. So we're going to thread some heat shrink tubing through the wire, or putting the wire through it, and we're going to cover the ends with it like that. We're going to use our Wagner heat gun, but this stuff is sensitive enough to heat that you could use a regular hair dryer. So what we're doing now is we're stretching the wires underneath the vinyl. So we're going to go ahead and swing the pallet over. Alright, so now we have our non-sewn trailing conductive thread. Remember, this is the inside of the shirt. We're holding all the electronics down with this piece of vinyl so you don't have any prickly LED ends here. So what we're going to do to finalize the project here is this is the part of the wire, the conductive thread, that's going to go into your pocket and connect to the battery pack. So we want to prevent the wires from touching one another or else it'll short out the circuit. So we have both of the positive run wires from the LED and both of the negatives each inside of this tube here, and we're going to heat shrink it really close to the edge here so that these wires aren't going to touch one another. You just put this small battery pack in your front left pocket. You can have your hands in your pocket, have your skull shirt on, and you flick the switch here, and what will happen is the skull lights are going to light up, and you've got your skull shirt.